Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my sourdough discard vegan banana bread. First, we're going to melt about 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. Then we're going to add a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, we're going to mash 3 medium to large size bananas. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of sourdough discard straight from the fridge. Mix that until well combined, and then mix all of your other wet mixture before combining the two together. Then we'll mix it one more time. Now we will add directly to that mixture a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a fourth a cup of granulated sweetener. I'm using stevia here, but you can use whatever you'd like, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to want to mix this until it's just combined. Do not overmix this batter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to spray my loaf pan with a bit of olive oil before I pour the batter in and smooth out the top. Bake for 1 hour. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely before slicing in and enjoying as a nice snack, dessert, or even a breakfast on the go.